Another quick one, just going to be changing the steering wheel badge, the old logo for the new style logo. I don't know if I'll keep this one. I do quite like the look of the black and silver, but I bought this one anyway just for practice, just to see how easy it is to get this old one off. I'm going to use a heat gun, keep it centre, test the outside with my finger just to make sure it's not getting too hot. I've got some goo on just in case it leaves a lot of residue behind on this one. We're going to see just how sort of deep the side of the badge goes to see how the pry tool, because I'm using a metal one, to try and get in there. But obviously if we start digging into this, I'm going to be stopping. But we'll go ahead with the heat gun and see what happens. Well, without damaging the rubber. Never mind. There we go, there we go. Once I'm at one edge, that should come off pretty easily. Hot. Just gonna eye it up. Only I'm seeing it anyway, so I'm not too worried. While it's still warm, that might actually help me with sticking this one on. Gonna try and keep even pressure, push as hard as I can until the neighbours know I'm changing my steering wheel badge. That's surprisingly still pretty warm. I'm going to hold it here until it cools down. All I did was hold it for another minute or so there. I put my heat gun onto cold air with one hand, held it with the other. Once it felt really cold, and obviously the glue's not so soft and it's set, let go, and that feels solid now. To me, as a driver, you probably can't tell from the video, but that's made a massive difference for what I see every day. That looks a lot better. Obviously the old one is aluminium, but it's got the hooks. But now that's cooled down, that feels absolutely fine, and it's a steering wheel badge. It's never ever going to fall off. But yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know whether to keep this one or go for the black and silver. I don't know. But that is how you change a steering wheel badge, either way, whichever one you're going for. If you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.